Self-service has become a way of life. We scan our own groceries at the checkout, rent movies from gas station kiosks, and check ourselves in at the airport. Banks started the self-service revolution with the ATM, but things have come a long way. Today you can apply for a loan online, pay bills or deposit checks using your phone, and deposit cash and checks at the ATM. But even in today's multi-channel world, there are nearly 1 million bank branches around the world playing a pivotal role building relationships and generating revenue for banks. But what does the future hold for this most traditional of channels? Because after all, sometimes you just want to speak to someone face to face. Here is NCR Corporation with a new twist on self-service.
Even as new channels emerge, 4 out of 5 products are still sold through branches. And aside from the revenue, the branch satisfaction is one of the biggest contributors to customer satisfaction and the primary way the community views a bank. But operating bank branches can be costly. As financial institutions look to make their branches more efficient, NCR Corporation says technology can help.
Banks have a huge opportunity to optimize their costs of their branches and improve the customer experience in the process. We call this branch transformation. Banks can repurpose some of the capital they had originally designated for real estate and to put it into technology. This will enable them to create a more efficient, smaller footprint that is attractive and gives better service to the customer. All this creates a more loyal and profitable customer.
Research shows that banks with higher customer satisfaction make more. The latest self-service technology can increase customer satisfaction while lowering the costs, says NCR's Bob Tramontano.
We all know customer loyalty can change with the click of a button. What we're trying to do is bring new technologies in place that allow consumers to live their lifestyle when and where they want, so banking services are available to them. We're developing new technologies and services that allow banks to extend their hours, increase their points of presence, all with keeping an eye on the bottom line. One way we're addressing these problems with a new solution we have, NCR's Aptra Interactive Teller. It's a new solution that can be installed either as a walk-up or a drive-up through the wall, and it's enabling customers to get live help with the transactions that they normally find on an ATM or the teller line. It's even offering new services that you couldn't possibly think of delivering on an ATM in the past.
We made the decision to go 24/7 with our personal tellers because we are in a very competitive marketplace, and we knew that the one thing that we could do to both differentiate ourselves as an organization and provide exceptional customer service was to make ourselves available to our members 24/7, and that's why we put the personal teller machines in. With the personal teller machine, all your tellers are in one location. There's consistency with your operations from one branch to another because everybody is being managed by one manager and trained under that manager, and it makes the reconciliation and the ability for a branch to actually focus on sales 100% better.
Interactive Teller is a great way of marrying technology with the consumer's lifestyle. And what we're trying to do now is use that technology with banking to allow the consumer to have 7x24 service.
All right, I'm going to activate the check acceptor, and it is to the upper left of the display.
So when they walk up to an ATM, they can either do the ATM transaction themselves or ask the teller on the other end of the screen for help. So NCR is trying to make life simple for the consumer and create a better experience across many different channels.
NCR's technology partner, Eugenius, says that one financial institution has already increased its teller service hours by 87%, while simultaneously enjoying a more than 40% reduction in labor costs by using its personal teller. NCR says face-to-face interactions with consumers are becoming the expectation.
NCR and Eugenius are working together to bring new innovations to the market to allow banks to improve their revenue, optimize their costs, and improve the customer experience.
As you can see, there is a lot going on in the banking industry and at the American Bankers Association. Whether yours is a small-town community bank or a multi-branch regional powerhouse, you're facing unprecedented challenges and opportunities as your business finds its way through new regulations, economic uncertainty, and changing consumer demand. As you've seen, the ABA is dedicated to uniting the industry and charting a way through that new territory. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at next year's convention.